Seniors. Eat this every dinner to avoid leg muscle loss. Fast senior health tips. After 60, losing muscle, especially in your legs, isn't just about getting weaker. It's about losing your independence. Those muscles are what help you get out of a chair, climb stairs, carry groceries, and keep your balance so you don't fall. Yet studies show that starting in your 60s, you can lose up to 3 to 5% of your muscle mass every decade. And for many people, it happens even faster if they're not eating the right foods at the right time. Dinner, in particular, is the most overlooked meal when it comes to protecting your legs. Many seniors either skip it, eat something too light, or choose foods that fill the stomach but don't feed the muscles. And here's the shocking part. Even if you eat enough protein during the day, if your last meal is missing one key nutrient combination, your body may still break down leg muscle overnight. But the good news? Adding the right foods to your dinner plate can not only slow down muscle loss, it can help you rebuild strength, improve balance, and even reduce the risk of dangerous falls. Today, we're going to uncover exactly what to eat at dinner, why it works, and how to make it part of your daily routine without spending a fortune or cooking complicated recipes. And yes, you can start tonight. Number 7. Lentils. Lentils might seem like a humble food, but for seniors over 60, they can be a powerful ally in the fight against leg muscle loss. These small legumes are packed with plant-based protein, about 18 grams per cooked cup, along with slow-digesting carbohydrates and a rich supply of magnesium, potassium, and iron. Protein is the obvious benefit, helping your muscles repair and grow overnight after your daily activities. But the slow-release carbs are just as important. They give your body a steady stream of energy so it doesn't need to break down muscle tissue to fuel itself while you sleep. The magnesium in lentils also plays a quiet but critical role. It helps muscles relax properly, preventing nighttime cramps that can disrupt your rest and slow recovery. Lentils are also loaded with folate, which supports healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen to your muscles, vital for keeping them strong and fatigue-free. Plus, because they're low in fat and high in fiber, lentils can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels, which is important because large swings in blood sugar can contribute to muscle breakdown over time. Many seniors don't realize that muscle loss isn't just a matter of not exercising enough. It's also tied to inflammation. And lentils contain polyphenols that help calm that process in the body. Preparing them is easy. You can simmer them into a hearty soup, mix them into a warm salad, or serve them as a side dish alongside lean meats or fish. And unlike many protein sources, lentils are incredibly budget-friendly, meaning you can add them to your dinner several nights a week without stretching your grocery bill. Better tip: aim for at least half a cup of cooked lentils at dinner 2 to 3 times per week. Pair them with a vitamin-rich food, like tomatoes or bell peppers, to boost iron absorption and further support healthy blood flow to your leg muscles. Number 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is more than just a breakfast option. It can be one of the most effective dinner additions for preserving leg muscle in seniors over 60. What makes it stand out is its exceptionally high protein content, often double that of regular yogurt, with a rich concentration of casein protein. Casein digests slowly, meaning it continues to feed your muscles amino acids throughout the night, which is exactly when much of your muscle repair and rebuilding occurs. This slow release helps counteract the natural muscle breakdown that happens during sleep, especially in the large muscles of your legs. Greek yogurt is also an excellent source of calcium and vitamin D, both crucial for maintaining bone density, which supports your muscles and helps prevent fractures in case of a fall. It also contains probiotics, which promote gut health, a surprisingly important factor since nutrient absorption efficiency often declines with age. And a healthy gut ensures you get the maximum benefit from the protein and minerals you eat. One often overlooked benefit of Greek yogurt is its versatility. It can be savory or sweet, making it easy to work into a dinner meal. You can use it as a creamy base for sauces, mix it into mashed potatoes for extra protein, or serve it as a cooling side to grilled vegetables and lean meats. For those who have trouble chewing or digesting heavier proteins at night, Greek yogurt is a gentle, easily digestible alternative that still delivers the muscle-supporting nutrients your body needs. And if you choose plain, unsweetened varieties, you avoid unnecessary sugars that can spike insulin and contribute to inflammation, both enemies of muscle health. Better tip: choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt with at least 2% fat for better nutrient absorption. For dinner, try mixing it with herbs, garlic, and a squeeze of lemon as a protein-rich sauce over baked salmon or roasted vegetables. This combination gives you protein, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory compounds all in one meal. Number 5. Quinoa. Quinoa is often called a supergrain, but technically, it's a seed. And for seniors over 60, it can be a game changer when it comes to protecting leg muscles. Unlike most plant foods, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle tissue. That's rare in the plant kingdom, and it makes quinoa an especially valuable option for those who prefer to limit meat or dairy at dinner. A single cooked cup provides around 8 grams of protein, plus a rich dose of magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese minerals that support muscle contraction, energy production, and joint health. Quinoa is also naturally gluten-free and easy to digest, making it gentle on the stomach in the evening. Another reason quinoa shines for seniors is its low glycemic index, which means it won't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Stable blood sugar is key for maintaining muscle because high insulin fluctuations can trigger inflammation and accelerate muscle breakdown. Quinoa's complex carbohydrates provide a steady source of fuel, so your muscles have the energy they need to repair overnight without your body dipping into muscle protein for energy. It also contains antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, which protect muscle cells from oxidative stress, a silent factor in age-related muscle decline. Plus, it's quick to prepare. In about 15 minutes, you can have a fluffy, nutty base ready to serve alongside vegetables, fish, or poultry. Better tip: for dinner, pair quinoa with a lean protein like grilled chicken or salmon and a colorful variety of vegetables. Adding a drizzle of olive oil or a sprinkle of chopped nuts boosts healthy fats, which help with nutrient absorption and further protect muscle health. Number 4. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete and bioavailable protein sources you can add to your dinner, making them a powerful tool for preventing leg muscle loss in seniors over 60. Each egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein, along with essential amino acids like leucine, which plays a key role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis. Leucine acts like a trigger for your body to start repairing and building muscle. And research shows it's especially effective for older adults whose muscles don't respond as strongly to smaller protein doses. Eggs also provide vitamin D, which supports both bone and muscle strength, and choline, which helps nerve signals reach your muscles efficiently, improving coordination and balance. Another benefit is their digestibility. Eggs are easy to chew and gentle on the stomach, making them ideal for dinner when you want something satisfying but not heavy. And while they're often seen as a breakfast food, eggs can be a star at the evening meal. Think vegetable omelets, frittatas with spinach and mushrooms, or hard-boiled eggs sliced over a warm grain salad. The healthy fats in the yolk also aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, so you get more from the vegetables you pair them with. Contrary to old myths, moderate egg consumption doesn't harm heart health for most people, and the nutrient density they offer far outweighs outdated cholesterol concerns. Plus, eggs are budget-friendly and versatile. You can prepare them in countless ways without spending much time or money. Better tip for dinner: combine eggs with a mix of colorful vegetables and a small serving of whole grains. This not only provides complete protein, but also adds fiber, antioxidants, and slow-release carbs to keep your muscles fueled through the night. A spinach and tomato omelet with a side of quinoa or whole grain toast is a simple, muscle-friendly option. Number 3. Salmon. Salmon is one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can put on your dinner plate. And for seniors over 60, it offers a unique combination of benefits that directly protect and strengthen leg muscles. First and foremost, it's an excellent source of high-quality protein, about 22 grams per 3-ounce serving, which provides all the essential amino acids your muscles need for repair and growth. But what truly sets salmon apart is its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These healthy fats don't just support heart health, they actively help reduce inflammation in muscle tissue, making it easier for your body to recover after daily activities. Inflammation is one of the hidden culprits behind muscle loss as we age, and omega-3 cells work almost like a shield, preserving muscle fibers and improving their function. Research has shown that older adults who regularly eat omega-3 fish have better muscle strength and a lower risk of mobility issues compared to those who don't. Salmon is also a fantastic source of vitamin D, which, along with protein, plays a key role in maintaining both muscle and bone strength, a vital combination for preventing falls and fractures. Another underrated benefit is salmon's content of astaxanthin, a potent antioxidant that helps protect muscle cells from oxidative damage caused by everyday stress and aging. Dinner is the perfect time to enjoy salmon because the protein and healthy fats work together to support overnight muscle repair while also keeping you satisfied, preventing late-night snacking on less nutritious foods, whether you grill, bake, or poach it. Salmon is quick to prepare and pairs beautifully with vegetables, whole grains, or even a dollop of protein-rich Greek yogurt sauce for an extra boost. And while fresh, wild-caught salmon is ideal, frozen options retain most of their nutrients and are more affordable, making them a smart choice for regular dinners. Better tip: aim for 2 servings of salmon per week, ideally at dinner, to maximize muscle-protecting benefits. Pair it with a vitamin C-rich side, like roasted Brussels sprouts or bell peppers, to enhance nutrient absorption and further support circulation to your leg muscles. If fresh salmon is out of budget, high-quality canned salmon with bones is an excellent alternative that also delivers a bonus of calcium for stronger bones. Number 2. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the leanest, spicy, most concentrated sources of muscle-building protein you can include in your dinner. And for seniors over 60, it's a tried-and-true choice for maintaining strong leg muscles. A 3-ounce serving packs around 26 grams of high-quality protein with minimal fat, making it ideal for those who want to fuel muscle repair without adding excess calories. What makes chicken breast especially effective is its high leucine content, the same amino acid that switches on muscle protein synthesis, which becomes less responsive with age. For older adults, getting enough leucine in a single meal can make the difference between simply maintaining muscle and actively rebuilding it. Chicken breast is also rich in B vitamins, particularly niacin and vitamin B6, which support energy metabolism so your muscles have the fuel they need to function properly. It's easy to digest, meaning your body can quickly access and use the nutrients for muscle recovery after a long day. When eaten at dinner, chicken's lean protein works overnight to repair micro-tears in muscle fibers from everyday activities like walking, gardening, or climbing stairs, helping you wake up stronger instead of stiffer. The versatility of chicken breast also makes it simple to incorporate into countless dinner recipes. From grilled fillets with roasted vegetables to slow-cooked stews with legumes for added fiber and minerals. And because it's so neutral in flavor, it pairs well with a wide variety of anti-inflammatory herbs and spices like turmeric, garlic, and rosemary, which can enhance muscle recovery even further. For seniors concerned about sodium or preservatives, Choosing fresh chicken and seasoning it yourself is the best way to keep it heart and muscle friendly. Better tip: for dinner, pair chicken breast with a mix of complex carbohydrates like sweet potatoes or quinoa and a colorful side of vegetables. This combination provides protein for muscle repair, carbs for overnight energy, and antioxidants to protect muscle cells. Cooking methods like baking, grilling, or poaching preserve the protein content without adding unnecessary fats or sodium. Number 1. Tofu. Tofu might surprise some people as the top dinner food for protecting leg muscles in seniors over 60. But its combination of nutrients, versatility, and digestibility make it a standout. Made from soybeans, tofu is a complete plant-based protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids, just like meat or fish, but with the added benefits of being low in saturated fat and easy on the digestive system. A standard 3.5-ounce serving delivers around 8 grams of protein along with significant amounts of calcium and magnesium, 2 minerals essential for muscle contraction, bone health, and preventing painful leg cramps at night. For seniors who may have reduced appetite in the evening, tofu's light texture makes it easier to eat without feeling overly full. Yet it still delivers the muscle-repairing protein needed after a day's activity. Tofu is also naturally rich in isoflavones, plant compounds that may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in muscle tissue, slowing down the natural muscle loss that accelerates with age. Another often overlooked advantage is its adaptability. In cooking, tofu easily absorbs the flavors of whatever it's cooked with, allowing you to create endless dinner variations without getting bored. You can stir-fry it with vegetables and garlic, bake it with herbs, or even blend it into a creamy, protein-rich sauce. For those watching their cholesterol, tofu offers a heart-healthy alternative to animal proteins, supporting overall circulation and nutrient delivery to leg muscles. And when combined with other foods on this list, such as quinoa or lentils, tofu can create a powerful chlorophyll flue text. They can create a powerful /lead. It can leaves a lext towel like sunslast, live, lost, lossly long-lasting color, and nutrient delivery to leg sisly/canoes. And when combined with other and listing, with y/alins, why we/pry, with /alevs, we was squalv. We supply it with Selly Canad. S. By with us, I get it by some my it. I sex sud. Better tip: for maximum benefit, pair tofu with a vitamin-rich vegetable like broccoli or bell peppers to boost iron absorption, and cook it with a source of healthy fats such as olive oil to enhance the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients. Aim to include tofu in your dinner rotation at least twice a week for steady, muscle-protecting results. That's it, 7 dinner foods that can make a real difference in protecting your leg muscles after 60. From humble lentils all the way to versatile tofu. The key takeaway isn't just about picking one superfood and hoping for results. It's about building balanced dinners that combine quality protein, anti-inflammatory nutrients, and minerals your muscles need to recover and grow. What you eat in the evening sets the tone for how your muscles repair overnight and how strong and steady you'll feel in the morning. Even small changes, like swapping a low-protein dinner for one rich in Greek yogurt or salmon, can start to add up in just a few weeks. And remember, maintaining muscle isn't only about exercise. It's about giving your body the raw materials it needs to stay strong, mobile, and independent for as long as possible. Dinner is your last opportunity of the day to fuel that process. So the next time you're planning your evening meal, think about how each bite can work for you while you sleep. Because when you wake up feeling steadier on your feet, with less stiffness and more energy, you'll know those choices were worth it. Do you already eat any of these foods regularly, or will you try adding them to your dinner this week? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more senior health tips that keep you strong and independent.